Well, Joy, let's take a look at YouTube today. Oh, look, we have a video response here from Moneymaster 93. Should we watch it? Absolutely. Let's watch this video response we got here.
You guys are not cool. You do the same thing every time. It's stupid.
See, John, I told you. No, we do different. We do different things. Last week we did projectable, a bulb. And before that, we've done mercury light bulb. And then
guess what? I think you're about to say a bulb, a light bulb, maybe? Bulbs.
He's right.
Yeah.
We keep doing the same thing.
You do your little action, you game, talk about your little safety. It's stupid. While you microwave the f***ing thing.
Little game. Who does that think he is? It's your turn, dude. Pass.
Talk about your little safety. It's stupid. While you microwave the f***ing thing and let us see what happened. I don't want to see your shit. I don't want to see your shit. I don't want to look at it.
Yeah, well, that makes two of us.
Yeah, actually three, I think.
Because I don't want to look at your shit.
I don't want to look at my shit either. I watched Two Girls, One Cup. Yeah, I know.
Just f***ing microwave what you got in microwave and let me go on my day on that time. On that time, you be f***ing around watching you name the damn microwave. It's not funny. You're not funny people. You're stupid. You're just microwaving shit.
Wait, so who's stupid and who's unfunny? I'm unfunny, and you must be stupid.
No, I think you're unfunny and I'm stupid.
Get a life.
Wait, what was that?
Get a life.
Oh.
Okay? Just microwave it. Shut your f***ing mouth and microwave it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
He said to shut your mouth.
I guess I just didn't get that memo.
Yeah, well, he's a douchebag anyway.
Yeah, but he's a douchebag with a snuggie.
Well, Joy, let's take a look at YouTube today. Oh, look, we have a video response here from Moneymaster 93. Should we watch it?
Absolutely.
Let's watch this video response we got here.
You guys are not cool. You do the same thing every time. It's stupid.
See, John, I told you. No, we do different. We do different things.